Hi, I am Nadia Sansone from Unitelma Sapienza in Rome, Italy, and I will briefly introduce you the Open Up2U platform and specifically its open version. Every one of you, every institutions, teachers, students could use this kind of learning environment to promote specific skills. First of all, let's say what is Up2U. Up2U University is an European project which is almost ended in these weeks from many partners all over Europe and Mediterranean zone. So during this project, 18 partners, among which there were universities, infrastructure providers, and commercials, gathered together in order to develop this kind of platform, which was meant to help students bridging the gap between secondary and higher education through the means of an open learning environment very rich in possibilities and tools aimed to integrate informal and formal learning. So, Up2U University is both technology and pedagogy, is an integrated system in which many tools and environment are driven by a pedagogical vision, which is based on project-based learning, the knowledge building theory, the idea of students actively participating to activities, to interactions, building objects together and building knowledge, also by the means of teachers' formative assessment, not just summative, and a multidisciplinarity idea of many disciplines gathering together to develop knowledge and skills. So it is a very rich environment. As you can see, build up of many tools and possibilities. We have, first of all, the Moodle platform, but is a very enriched version of Moodle, because you can also use many tools to build objects, to have web conferences, to build a knowledge map, conceptual map, to have also many open educational resources. So you can see we have H5P to build interactive video. We have also CellCont to the same, but not to mention Jupyter, Swarm, Sandbox, and also many other tools, open tools to give students, teachers, and schools the chance to build together knowledge, to have informal and formal activities, to track via sophisticated learning analytics their participation, their commitment, but also their learning. So it is a very comprehensive learning environment, a new generation digital learning environment, NGDLE, which was developed by all the Up2U partners during a 4-year project, and now it is given openly to all institutions across Europe, also because of this, emergency we are all living, so you can have the possibility to try and explore and use this platform with your students, and all is possibility. As you can see, you also have YouTube, iTunes, many logos and companies you all very well know, but also tools which have been developed during this project and which have been proved to be effective in order to promote crucial skills, because this was our project aim to help students to develop those skills which teachers, which scholars, which the European policies identified as the crucial one in order to bridge the gap between secondary and higher university. So we have critical thinking, problem solving, communication, collaboration, which is nowadays a crucial skills, as long as well as digital competencies. So we already know the digital competencies framework which we developed as European community, but also other skills such as the language, English, and other international language which are transversally used to communicate in economy and professional context, as long as learning to learn, which is nowadays a crucial ability, a crucial skill. So our platform was designed to help develop all these crucial skills by using specific tools and a specific pedagogy, which is, the flipped classroom, a project-based learning environment, the possibility to have peer review among students, and so on. And most of all, the crucial skill to learn how to evaluate information and sources on the web. So our project is a general project which aims to target not only students but also teachers and the overall community, international community. So during our 4-year project, we trained teachers on how to use the tools, the environment, and also the learning strategies such as a flipped classroom, a formative assessment. We trained teachers, then we involved students in the activities, and also we promoted the project between parents, between many communities, such as the project of university as a hub. So it was a very comprehensive project in which thousands of teachers and students and families get to know the project. So it was a very, very effort demanding project, but also a very effective one. It was based on the possibility to have students and teachers engaged in our project via the use of informal learning. So teachers and students can use the platform to support their informal learning, their informal and autonomously searching for open educational resources, build videos, build a website and so on, but also to have formal learning in classrooms and schools by using our learning scenarios as the one I'm showing you in this chart, which engaged students in building a multimedia object via collaboration, group working, and also information searching, peer assessment, many strategies and activities to help students develop their crucial skills. So you can see, you can maybe watch this example and use it in your classroom with your students next year. And it was an effective project, as I told you. Teachers found our platform as very, very easy to integrate in classroom teaching, but also user-friendly as well as effective to promote the skills you are seeing in my chart, ICT skills, critical thinking, collaboration. In a scale from 1 to 5, our platform was evaluated as very, very easy to integrate, user-friendly, and also students get to develop these crucial skills in a very high way, because they reached high scores from the teachers in all the activities they performed. Teachers evaluated over 2,000 students, so it is a very, very good result of our platform that we invite you to try and test, thanks to the kit we have developed, which is a kit to get started, an open course which all students, teachers, parents, institutions can use in order to know the tools, try the tools, and also the skills we aim to promote, the pedagogy, the strategies. You will find learning scenarios, schema, examples, and many tools to try by yourselves and also to import in your classrooms next year or during the summer. You have free access to our platform, and you can try the many possibilities, the technological possibilities. You can mix the strategies. You can choose to use the platform only to support informal learning. There are many examples, many chances to get involved and also to get started. So my invitation is to enter the platform, to access the platform, and try and use it by yourselves. So you can go to www.up2university.net and try and use our platform freely to get your students involved. Many, many thanks. So use it and let us know your feeling about the platform.